there, CADCHF. I also called the spike for USDCNH. I said it was spiked down. If you watch the video, you can take a look at the video there. This is the market structure account that's basically using market structure. Um, just to demonstrate, it's just basic demonstration, just how it kind of goes. This is a bar that's about 90 pips. And just placed after that, move down. I just grabbed one, and then I placed a sell limit here, right? I think it was like 50 pips stop loss. Might have been a 50 pip. I don't know. But so here's the bar from market structure. Yeah, it was a 50 pip. Up there we go. Good guess. Um, the ones in red are no trade. You do not trade those on the market structure. They're not. They don't range enough. Like they break ranges a lot. Market structure is basically capturing those ranges. Um, New Zealand dollar uh, to peg to Canadian, peg to CHF to JPY, whatever. Those are really good. I really like those. Um, really like those. They're great. Some euros can do it. Um, you just have to have a larger SL on those. Like, for example, Euro USD, your TP is like 83, so your SL is like 60. Um, so yeah, and that's that. So basically, called I said the spike down possibly on CNH, which that's what happened here on CNH. We had a spike down, and I said it's probably going to be it spike down. I mean, that was my best guess on that. About 11 hours ago, I posted that video. Um, so yeah, so just I hope to I'm trying to provide you guys with content, something that you can help you make informed trade decisions. Kind of help you along and just capture these things. Just capture them and be in place before they even happen. So, it's how market structure works. It's just market structure is looking for ranges, looking for things to basically stay within a range. They're not like, it's not like capturing a trend, like or some, or, like a trend reversal kind of thing. But basically looking to capture, some gains, some short gains, real quick. Typically, I would like cut it off here and then just take the the money, but that's fine. I'll let this ride a little bit. Um, yeah. So if you like the content, if you like what we're doing here, make sure you hit the follow on the Trading View. Give me a boost, guys. This is what I'm doing them for. I'm doing for the boost. I like the boost. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to like. Send me a comment. Let me know. Say hello. Say what's up. You know what I mean? Or what you're up to. I like to hear from you guys. It's awesome seeing comments from you guys. And make sure you subscribe for bringing out future content when I have other things going on. I have the indicator paper trade battle that's going on between Neuro's Triple RSI and Project X. We'll see which one's the biggest loser. It might come down to that, which one's the biggest loser. But it's always interesting. I like to kind of put them up against each other and try to trade it and stuff like that. Just doing something different here than what you would find on maybe a trading channel. So, all right, man, that's it. Truth, aka Wall Street, aka Cookie here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.